Here 20 plus 6, that to give us 26, plus 4 multiplied by 3 divided by 2. Then here 26 plus 4, that will give us 30 multiplied by 3 divided by 2. Then at this point 30 times 3, that will give us 90 divided by 2. Then lastly we have 90 divided by 2, that gives us 45. But this answer is wrong. Therefore, this first approach here is completely wrong. Don't make this mistake. To get this right, we are going to have this 20, all in parentheses, 20 plus 6 in parentheses, plus 4 multiplied by 3 divided by 2. Now right here, we are going to follow this sort of operation called PEMDAS. Now right here, in this expression, we have parentheses, we don't have exponent, we have multiplication, we have division, we have addition here in the parentheses, we don't have subtraction here. Now fourth, following this order of operation, we are going to simplify the term inside the parentheses first, and we consider this 20 plus 6, that should give us 26. Then plus 4 multiplied by 3 divided by 2. Well, right here, still from this sort of operation, we are going to consider multiplication. Note that multiplication and division have the same precedence, and the operation here is from left to right, following this sort of operation. Therefore, at this point, multiplication is of higher priority than division and subtraction, and we consider this first. Now we have 26 plus 4 times 3, that gives us 12, when divided by 2. And at this point, division is of higher priority than addition. Following this PEMDAS rule, then as such, we are going to consider division first. And we have here 26 plus 12 divided by 2, that gives us 6. Then lastly, we consider addition. 26 plus 6, that should give us 32. And this is the correct answer to this given expression right here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos from this channel. See you in the next